Hey everyone, and welcome back. Want to test a new plugin or theme on your WooCommerce store without breaking your live site? In this video, I'll show you how to safely test changes for free using a staging site. First, check your web hosting provider. Many hosts, like SiteGround, Bluehost, or WP Engine, offer a free staging site feature inside your hosting dashboard. Look for a staging or copy site tool. If your host doesn't offer it, you can use a free plugin. Install WP Staging or Duplicator from your WordPress plugin directory. These tools will create an exact copy of your live store on a separate, hidden URL. This is your staging site, a safe sandbox where you can experiment. On your staging site, you can test everything. Update WooCommerce, try a new theme, install a plugin, or change settings. Your real customers and orders won't be affected. Once you're happy with the changes on staging, most tools have a push to live feature that carefully migrates only the changes to your live store. Always back up your live site before pushing changes, just in case. And that's it. Using a free staging site is the professional way to test updates and ensure your live store always runs smoothly. If you use a staging site, let me know which tool you use in the comments. See you in the next one.